So today we're having a look at the Parkside Organic Berry Garden Mini Greenhouse. Perfect for your windowsill or balcony, and includes organic seeds for strawberries and goji berries. So we've not grown goji berries, and we've not actually done strawberries from seed. And we've got all of the kit all inside, seeds and some mixture. So let's have a look at what we got. So we've got a nice little mini greenhouse. It's looking really nice. I chose the pink one because of the strawberries and the goji berries, but they had green ones for tomatoes and they had grey ones for lettuce. But we like the size of this propagator. It's got a little opening and close shutter on the top, and it's quite tall, and it's quite rigid as well. It's got some little air vents on the sides, so looking pretty good. It comes with our seeds. We've got a bee in our shed. There he goes. So we've got our seeds, strawberry and goji berries. Then we've got our tray, recyclable tray, and then it also comes with a dibber. So first thing we need to do, we need to soak the goji berries for 1 hour before we soak. So I've got a cup, making sure it's not my cup of coffee, and we're going to take our goji berries, see what we got. There must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to soak these for an hour. So I've just put them in a cup of water just to soak for an hour. Then we can prepare our mixture. So that's the strawberries. So we've got a bag, and this has got cocoa core in. It's got a slab, and all we do is just make it in the bag. We've got some warm water, so I'm just going to pour the warm water into our bag and just let it soak. So it needs soaking for about 10 minutes. So while that's soaking and the goji berries are soaking, we come back in a mo. So within a few minutes we can see the water has soaked into the core and it's expanding. You can see it's just draining, the water's just disappearing, soaking all in to the core. So while that's soaking in a bit more, we can take our tray. We're going to start filling the tray with our core. just a few minutes. Let's just come from a block to a potting. Compound. So this is a great little tray, just if you not got any compost, all comes ready. Ready to go. Don't need any special tools, any special compost, all comes ready to come in the kit. This is from the Parkside range. They've given us quite a bit of core though, we don't need that much. So our cells are nearly full. We've still got quite a bit left that we can use for another project. There we go. We've still got quite a bit of half a block left. So we're going to have a go at the strawberries. So this is the strawberry seeds. They don't need soaking. The goji berries are in the cup soaking. So let's have a look at our strawberry seeds. How many of these do we have? Opening them over the tray in case any fall out. But they did. So there's our strawberry seeds. So I'm going to scatter. I'm going to put like 1 or 2 seeds in half of the cells. There we go. So that's the first half being strawberries. Just going to make a little note, and then I'm going to recover just with a bit more of our core. And that's the strawberries potted up. So now we can have a go at doing the goji berries. It's a bit more tricky because these are going to be wet. I'm going to place one in each cell. There we go. One in that one. One in that one. So we've got 2 left. One in that one. And then the last one This one don't want to come out of the cup. Just trying to dry my hands. And that goes in that one. Come on. Leave my hand. So that's in there. So I'm going to cover now the goji berries. With a bit more of our substance. This has just been wetted, so it won't need a lot of water in. I'm just going to make a little note that goji berries only went to that side. So that's it. So another little sprinkle. There we go, we could give it a little bit of water, just a drop. And then we need to place it on a windowsill in a warm, should be set up in a bright, warm place. Keep the grading medium moist during germination and growth period. However, avoid waterlogging at all costs. So germination takes place about 2 to 3 weeks after sowing, depending on the seed. Recommend using a fertilizer afterwards, and the tray is made from recycled material. So there we go. Putting our lid on, and that's going to sit on the windowsill. So let me know in the comments, have you grown goji berries or even strawberries from seed? And it's going to be most interesting to see and watch this grow. So thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and get notifications when I post some more, and we'll look forward to seeing these grow on. Cheers.